The Ford rear belt monitor fault warning indicates a problem with your vehicle's rear seat belt monitoring system. This system is a crucial part of Ford's supplemental restraint system that tracks whether rear passengers have fastened their seat belts. The rear belt monitor system consists of four main components working together. Belt buckle switches detect when seat belts are fastened. The wiring harness connects these switches to control modules. The body control module, or restraints control module, processes the signals. Finally, warning systems alert the driver through dashboard indicators and chimes. Ford rear belt monitor faults fall into three main categories. Electrical issues account for 60% of cases, typically involving corroded connections or faulty buckle switches. Mechanical failures represent 25%, usually damaged buckle assemblies or worn spring mechanisms. Software and module problems make up the remaining 15%. Modern Ford vehicles from 2015 onwards provide detailed diagnostic capabilities through professional tools like 4Scan and OBD2 scanners. These tools can identify specific fault codes that pinpoint the exact problem within the rear belt monitoring system. Two main control modules handle rear belt monitoring in Ford vehicles. The body control module processes belt switch signals and communicates with the dashboard. The restraints control module manages the entire airbag and seatbelt system for safety-critical processing. This warning is not just a minor inconvenience, it represents a serious safety concern. The rear belt monitoring system ensures proper airbag deployment, monitors passenger safety compliance, and prevents system malfunctions during emergencies. Ignoring this warning can compromise your vehicle's entire safety system effectiveness. The first step in troubleshooting a Ford rear belt monitor fault is using professional diagnostic equipment to read specific fault codes from the vehicle's computer system. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the rear seatbelt buckles and surrounding components, looking for obvious damage, debris, or signs of wear that could affect the monitoring system. Component testing involves checking the electrical continuity of buckle switches and verifying the wiring harness for proper voltage supply and any damaged connections. Repair solutions vary depending on the root cause. Most commonly, cleaning corroded connections and repairing damaged wiring resolves the issue. Here's a before and after example of connector cleaning. For complex cases involving module issues, professional diagnostic equipment is used to perform module relearning procedures and firmware updates to restore proper system operation. According to recent automotive service data, 78% of rear belt monitor faults are resolved through cleaning and reconnection procedures, with repair costs typically ranging from $150 to $450.